Mark runs a race in 3.87 seconds, whereas Lee runs the same race in 3 and 7/8 seconds. Who is faster? We have 3.87 seconds and 3 and 7/8 seconds. So we need to compare these two numbers. Let me write these two numbers. We have 3.87 and we have 3 7/8. We have decimal number and we have mixed number. We have fraction. We have whole number 3 and 3. So now what we need to do, we have to change the fraction to decimal or decimal to fraction. So maybe now we will change this fraction to decimal number. How we do this? We have to do long division. We have to divide 7 by 8. Because we cannot divide 7 by 8, 7 is less than 8, so at the top we have to write 0, and because 7 is whole number, after 7 we can add decimal point and zeros always, because when we add zeros it doesn't change the number after decimal point, of course. And now, like I said, because when we divide 7 by 8 we cannot divide 7 by 8, so this is 0. We have to copy exactly in the same place decimal point on the top. And now what we have to do, we copy 7 and we add zeros. We take down 1 0 down. And now we have 70 divided by 8. 70 divided by 8 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. And now we have to do subtraction. 70 minus 64 is 6. And we take next 0 down. Now we have to divide 60 by 8. 60 divided by 8 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. And again we have to do subtraction. 60 minus 56 is 4. We can take next 0 down. So we have 4 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So 40 minus 40 is 0. So we finish division, long division, and we got that 7/8. We can rewrite that this is 0. Whatever we have on the top, 875. So we change this fraction to decimal number. So let me copy the left side. We have 3.87, and on the right side we have to copy this whole number 3 in decimal point, and after decimal point we have 875. And now we have to compare these two numbers and we will see who is faster, Mark or Lee, because we have whole number 3 and 3, so we have to count how many digits we have after decimal point. We have 1, 2, and we have 1, 2, 3. So we add the third digits, of course, is 0. We can always add 0 after decimal point. We have to forget about decimal point for a while. So we have 3870 and we have 3875. Which number is greater? Of course, 3875. So it means that Lee is faster because he runs in 3/7/8 seconds the race. So he is faster than Mark. So my answer will be that Lee is faster.